friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Rasayanic Videos. Okay, so now our today's topic is how to find the 18 electron system. How to find the 18 electron system. Before starting the 18 electron system, we are discussing some points of OMC, that is organometallic compound. So now what is meant by the organometallic compound? So we are discussing here by definition. An organometallic compound is defined as one that contains at least one direct metal carbon bond. Okay, what is the organometallic compound? One that contains at least one direct metal carbon bond. Okay, that is, for example, we can take carbon, Pt. Okay, this is the example of metal carbon bond. So now next point is the first OMC, the first organometallic compound of main group elements was a cacodyl oxide. What is the cacodyl oxide? Which is a toxic liquid substance. Okay, it is a toxic liquid, and the first organometallic compound of main group elements was a cacodyl oxide, which is a toxic liquid, and the structure is As arsenic, CS3CS3, O, As, CS3CS3. What is the name of this structure? Dimethyl, this one methyl and this one methyl, dimethyl arsenious anhydride. Okay, this is dimethyl arsenious anhydride, that is cacodyl oxide. And here short formula is CH3 taken 2 times, As taken 2 times outside the bracket, and this O. What is the dimethyl arsenious anhydride? Okay, this is the second point. And what is the third point? The first organometallic compound of transition metals. The first organometallic compound of transition metals was Zeise's salt. Okay, was Zeise's salt. And what is the structure of Zeise's salt? This is potassium K positive, Pd, Cl, and here double bond CH2. What is the structure formula? Zeise's salt. And here formula is KPT C2H4, Cl3, 1, 2, 3 Cl3. This is the formula of Zeise's salt. Okay, so now we are discussed here some points of organometallic compounds, and then our next bit is how to find the 18 electron rule. So now let's start. So now here we are finding the electron counting method. In electron counting method, there are two methods that we can find here. First one is the oxidation state method, and second one is the neutral state method. Okay, neutral atom method. So which is easy method that we can take here? Okay, so now first we are finding from neutral method. And here oxidation state method. Okay, so now our first compound is HMnCO taken 5 times. Okay, so now manganese having how many electrons? 7 electrons. Then CO5, CO contains 2 electron will donate. Okay, carbonyl means CO donates 2 electron, that we will consider. So each CO will donate 2 electrons, then 2 into 5. How many CO are there? 5 CO, that is equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10 electron. Okay, and hydrogen will donate 1 electron. Total how many? 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18 electron. So from neutral method, it is assumed that it is considered that 18 electron system is having here. Okay, so now oxidation state method. So while finding the oxidation state method, we can taking here Mn positive. So while taking here Mn positive, 1 electron will lose, that is 6 electron will come. Okay, so now here 5 CO, same charge, equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10 electron. Okay, and hydride considered as 2 electron. Total how many? 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 18 electron come. Okay, see here, each carbonyl contains 2 electron will donate. So here 5 into 2 equal to 10 electron. Okay, and Mn donates 7 electron, hydrogen 1 electron. So how many are there? 18 electron. And these charges are given in book, so you can find in the book. Okay, which book? From Ajay Kumar. From Ajay Kumar I have taken these examples, so we can get easy. So now here eta 5 C5H5 taken 2 times Fe. So from I am taking now onwards neutral method. Okay, oxidation state method I am not taking, I am taking only now from this second example, neutral method. Okay, so from neutral method, here Fe, iron gives 8 electron. Iron having 8 electron, and here C5H5. In C5H5 contains 5 electron. Sorry, 5 electron. That is, but here having 2. Okay, 2 times. But here having 2 times C5H5. That is 2 times C5H5 equal to 2 into 5 equal to 10 electron over 10 plus 8, 18 electron. How this structure will come? See here. Sorry. Means here 5 elect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, C5H5. 18 electron. So now third example. What is the third example? Here also neta 5 HC5H5. C5H5 contains only one time is there. So 5 electron. Okay. Iron gives 8 electron. Iron gives 8 electron. Carbonyl CO, here 2 times carbonyl is present, 2 CO, and each CO will donate 2 electron, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4 electron. Okay, 2 into 2 equal to 4 electron, and last is the Cl equal to minus 1 electron. So how many total? 8 plus 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 electron system. So now we are taking some another examples also. Okay, so now here next example says like this structure. Okay, so now first here we are finding here from neutral state method. Okay, from neutral state method. Then here first molybdenum. Okay, what is this? Molybdenum. It will give how many electrons? 6 electrons. In chromium group is present, molybdenum give 6 electrons. And what is this? Eta 3 C3H5. Where is eta 3? This. 1, 2, 3 electrons. 1, 2, 3. That is eta 3 C3H5. How many is there? 1 and 2. Therefore, 2 into 3 equal to 6 electrons. Okay. 2 into 3 equal to 6 electrons. And how many? Eta 5 C5H5. Here, eta 5 CH5 this is. Okay. So how many electrons here? 5 electrons. And NO will use 2 electrons. So how many electrons are present? 6, 12. Oh sorry, 1 electron here. 1 electron. 18 electron. Okay. So now next example is Ru. Ruthenium. Ruthenium 8 electrons. PPH3. PPH3 gives 2 electrons. So it will give 2 into 2. And how many PPH3 is present? 1, 2. 2 PPH3 equals to 4 electrons. And eta 3 C3H5 here. Eta 3 C3H5. 1, 2, 3 electrons. Then only 3 electrons are present. Okay, so now CO charge 2 electron and charge. The whole complex of the charge is plus, that is minus 1 electron. So count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 minus 1, 16 electron. 16 electron compound is present. Okay. So now last example is sorry, Ti, titanium, C5H5. What is this? Eta 5 C5H5, and this is also eta 5 C5H5, and this is eta 1 C5H5, because this bond is attached only to this, therefore it is called as eta 1. And this bond of titanium gets into the inner part of the all electrons, that is all like this. Like this we can also imagine. Okay, all electrons are to be attached to this bond, so it will use 5 electrons. So it will use 5 electrons. Okay, so now titanium, how many electron? 4 electron. Eta 5 Cl5H5 here. Eta 5 C5H5, how many there? 2. Therefore 2 into 5 equal to 10 electron. And eta 1 C5H5, how many there? 2. That is 2 into 2. Sorry. 4 electron. 8. 16 electron. Here only 2 will come. Sorry. Here only 2 electrons, because eta 1 that is 1 electron. That is one here 1 electron, here 1 electron. That is both of these will contain only 2 electrons. Okay. So how many? 10, 14, 16. 16 electron complex is here. Okay. Did you understood? So now these are all about the electron counting method. Okay. So we are completing here the electron counting method. Okay. So in next video we are taking some how to find the metal bond. Okay. Very interesting part is that. So we are taking that video in next video. So we are taking that method in next video. Okay. So thank you.